Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Spyder. We'll explore these two popular development environments to help you decide which one best suits your workflow. Vscode is a highly customizable code editor, while Spyder is a dedicated integrated development environment for scientific Python. Both tools provide robust features for writing, debugging, and managing your code, but they cater to different user needs. Let's dive into their unique strengths. Vscode shines with its incredible versatility, supporting a wide array of programming languages, not just Python. Its extensive marketplace boasts thousands of extensions, allowing you to tailor your environment for virtually any task, from web development to cloud integration. Developers appreciate its lightweight design and swift performance, making it a popular choice for general software development. Plus, its integrated Git and terminal streamline version control and command line operations. Spyder truly excels in the realm of scientific computing and data science. It offers specialized tools like the Variable Explorer, which lets you easily view and interact with data frames and arrays in real time. This IDE integrates seamlessly with popular scientific libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas. Additionally, its dedicated plots pane displays your visualizations directly, providing an efficient workflow for data analysis and exploration. So, which one is better? If you're involved in general software development, web projects, or need broad language support, Vscode's flexibility and vast extension ecosystem make it an excellent choice. However, for data scientists and those focused on scientific Python, Spyder's specialized tools, like the Variable Explorer and integrated plotting, offer a highly efficient and interactive experience. Ultimately, your ideal environment depends on your specific needs. Many professionals even use both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.